Take one. Okay, now get out of the shot. Okay. So just 1 second, you'll be back for the video. Follow me. Follow me to my crib. Everybody, let's go. Come on, let's get to it. I know that we can do it. Where are we going? Popples Mountain. Where are we going? How you doing, Janelle? You literally look like the biggest stalker. I don't even want to talk to you anymore. I don't even want you to be here anymore. Get out of my apartment. Get out of my life. Is that fine?